my channel. My name is Mandy and we are back with another advent calendar unboxing. Before we start, can I ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that will be the only way to be notified of all my upcoming advent calendar unboxings, and there are so many cool ones to come. Today we have the 2022 Cult Beauty Advent Calendar. This one is worth 2,000 Australian dollars and retails for 425 Australian dollars. Now, if you follow along on Advent Calendar news yearly, you already know that the Cult Beauty box is usually the one to beat. It is the it box that everyone usually wants to go for and usually sells out really quick. So if you want to get one for yourself, I'll leave a link below. This one has 25 doors, but a total of 37 products. Yes, you heard right. 37. So I don't think I've come across any other boxes with that many items, so I hope this one lives up to its name. Starting with the first one, we have a full-size Sunday Riley C.E.O 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Now this is a serum that I already use. The Australian Sunday Riley team actually sent me one of these a few months back and I immediately fell in love with it, along with their Good Genes lactic acid treatment, and it is now permanently part of my skincare routine. I've always loved every Sunday Riley product I've tried, so this is a yes from me and a very strong start. This is 30 mils, usually retailing for 128 Australian dollars at Mecca, so absolutely value for money here. Number 2, we have the Sachajuan Scalp Shampoo and Conditioner. First of all, how cute is it that there's two products in the one drawer? So these are travel size, both 100 mils, and I'm super glad that they were in one drawer, not separated. These are recommended for dry scalp, which I have, so I will be trying this. The third drawer is MALIN+GOETZ Dark Rum Perfume Oil. It's full size, 9 milliliters, and retails at Mecca for 48 Australian dollars. So I am really particular with my scents. I love a really good florally and fruity scent, but this one's really masculine. It's not for me, but if you like that sort of leathery and heavier scent, you would like this one. On to the fourth, we have Hair by Sam Mcknight Deeper Love Intense Treatment Mask. This is a travel size, 50 mils, and it's meant to help with split ends. Haven't really tried this brand before, but I know their mists and sprays are really good, so keen to try this one out. Day number 5 is the Youth to the People Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream. This is full size and retails at Sephora for 94 Australian dollars. This is a brand that I absolutely love. The Australian Youth to the People team have sent me a few products from their range and I absolutely love them. They've always been winners and I'm super keen to try this one. Number 6 is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 30. This is a travel size, 15 mils, and meant to have a non-greasy finish and no white film reflection, hence the name Unseen. I have seen this one around, but I've seen SPF 40, so maybe there's two versions going around. Day number 7 is Zelens Power D Vitamin D Concentrate. This is a travel size, it's 10 mils. I haven't really heard of this brand before, so I don't think they stock it in Australia, but this is meant to be a high potency pro vitamin D3 concentrate, which is really cool because I didn't know you could include vitamin D in your skincare. I am vitamin D deficient, so maybe this is what I've needed. Number 8 is Augustinus Bader The Rich Cream. This is actually a mini, it's 15 mils, but they sell this in Revolve for 158 Australian dollars. It's a super hydrating rich cream, and we got their face oil in the Net-a-Porter advent calendar, so this is a nice thing to add to the range. Day 9 is the Bioma Moisturizing Gel Cream. This is full size, 50 mils, and is packed with ceramides, niacinamides, and green tea extract. This is a UK brand I'm not too familiar with. We don't have this in Australia, but always keen to try new things. I especially love their pink packaging. Number 10 is the Inkey List Polyglutamic Acid Serum. It's full size, 30 mils, and retails at 25 Australian dollars at Sephora. This claims to hold 4 times more moisture than hyaluronic acid. Ooh! Day 11 is the Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. This is travel size at 50 mils and is a cult favorite. I totally wish this came in full size. It's a hairspray that is meant to give a smooth, silky finish and anti-frizz. Onto the 12th product, we have the NIOD Multi-Molecular Hyaluronic Complex. This is travel size, 15 mils, and is another super hydrating product. Gosh, we have a lot of those in here. This is stocked at Myers for 50 Australian dollars. It has amazing reviews. I haven't tried it myself, but it says they have 12 forms of hyaluronic compounds in there. So super, super hydrating. Day 13, we have the Medicate Retinate Intense Youth Activating Cream. Check out how sleek this packaging is. Ooh. This is travel size 15 mils and is a moisturizing anti-aging night cream. It kind of looks like a really sleek pepper spray and I love it. Number 14 is the Ren Clean Skincare Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. This is full size, 15 mils and retails at Mecca for 76 Australian dollars. I actually have been feeling like I get dark circles lately, so I definitely will be trying this one and love that this is full size. So for number 15, we actually have a few products in here, and the first one is Hum Nutrition Hair Sweet Hair. These are hair gummies. It's travel size and there are 14 gummies. The second item is the Virtue Healing Oil. This is a mini 9 mils. And this is an oil that helps with damaged hair. The third item is the K18 Leave-In Repair Hair Mask. It is quite tiny. It's travel size 5 mils. I'm not really sure how much hair you can cover with that. They actually do sell this travel size 5 mils for 15 Australian dollars at Sephora. Considering these are all travel sizes, I'm glad there were 3 in that one drawer. Number 16 is the Charlotte Tilbury Bigger Brighter Eyes in Exaggerize. This is a full-size palette and is actually our first makeup product from this box. This retails at Mecca for 79 Australian dollars and I love the colors in the palette. It's all very warm and rose gold tones. And I'm also glad that there was no double up in this Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar. Day 17 is the Hair Gain Nourishing Miracle Treatment Hair Mask. I am pretty big on hair products and I'm glad to see that there are lots coming in this box. This is travel size 50 mils and is supposed to give a repair treatment in just 10 minutes. I wish this came in the full size, but I'm very interested to see what 10 minutes with this looks like. Number 18 actually has 5 products and I'm super excited to unpack this. The first one is Huda Beauty Power Bullet Cream Glow in Sweet Nude. I love Huda Beauty. I almost always wear their liquid lipstick daily. I'm keen to try their cream lipstick here though to see how it compares to their liquid lipstick. This is of course a full-size lipstick and retails at 38 Australian dollars in Sephora. The second product is Pi Skincare The Impossible Glow Hyaluronic Acid Highlighting Drops in Champagne. This is a travel size 10 mils. It's a really nice glow highlighter. I don't mind that it's in travel size because I think a little goes a long way with this. The third product is the Rhone Row Glow Skin Stick in Glaze. This is a non-stick highlighter. It's full size and retails at Revolve for 69 Australian dollars. Next up we have the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara in Ultra Black. Now, as I mentioned in the Net-a-Porter unboxing video, I don't really use mascara because I have lash extensions in all the time, but this one has been highly raved about. This is a travel size 25 mils and retails at Mecca for 23 Australian dollars. Lastly, we have the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Hydrating Primer. This one is also super raved on about. I'm still looking for a primer that I like, so definitely want to give this one a go. It's travel size 25 mils and retails at Mecca for 32 Australian dollars. Door 19 is the Sol de Janeiro Bom Dia Bright Cream. Now, if you're obsessed like me with the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream that they have, which is a cult favorite, I guarantee you will love this one because this is just as amazing. This is a body cream and it is travel size 75 mils, but honestly, I'm so glad this was included in the box. It smells incredible and retails at Mecca for 33 Australian dollars. Number 20 is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. This is another cult favorite and it's like win after win, guys. This is travel size, it's 15 mils, it's a face serum and it's meant to give you a glow. I have actually been meaning to try this. My friends have been raving about this product. I am not sure why I haven't taken the leap yet, but I'm so glad it's in this box because now I can try it. Day 21 is Dr. Dennis Gross Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. Super keen to try this one because concerns around my face include pore appearance, especially around the nose area where it's really oily, and this is supposed to be really good for that. This is meant to diminish blackheads and congested pores. It has glycolic, lactic, and salicylic acid, so it probably should be used sparingly. This is a travel size 15 mils, but I am super glad it was included in this box. Number 22 is Dr. Levi Switzerland Pollution Shield. Look at the packaging, it's so cute. I've actually never heard of this brand before though, but it's supposed to protect you against 5 different kinds of pollution. Number 23 is Brio Geo Superfoods Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Hair Mask. First of all, I love that avocado is one of the ingredients. It must be super hydrating, and we love hair masks. This is a travel size though, 59 mils, but I am keen to give it a go. Day 24 is the Bioscience Squalane Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum. This is full size, 50 mils, and retails at Sephora for 108 Australian dollars. This is a very hydrating serum, is collagen boosting, and is meant to plump up your skin. So for number 25, we're supposed to have 6 amazing items in here. Let's check it out. The first one is a Drunk Elephant, the Best number 9 Jelly Cleanser. This is a travel size 60 mils jelly cleanser. It removes makeup and oils. Love that it is vegan, and I highly recommend it for people with oily skin. Next we have the Joe Loves a Home Candle in Christmas Trees. This is a travel size, but it's a candle, so we love. It smells incredible, you guys. It's got a hint of like lavender and pine. Next we have the 111 Skin Oxygen Express Mask. This is a super premium brand, you guys, so super excited to see this here, even though it's not a full size. Next we have the Pharmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. This is full size. I haven't heard of this brand before, but it sounds amazing. Ceramides, yes please. The packaging is just so sleek and beautiful, and this moisturizer is packed with ceramides, which we love, and it smells like honey. Second last item, we have the Cult Beauty Mulberry Silk Sleep Eye Mask. It's a really cute pink sleeping mask and gives off a luxe vibe with the silk. Ending the calendar strong, we have the last item, the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in chocolate flavor. I have so many of these. I think it's become a little collection. I love this product. This is going to be my 4th lip sleeping mask from Laneige. A few months ago, the Australian Laneige team sent me the peppermint one, and I thought the boxes might have that flavor because it's so Christmassy. But I'm so glad it's the chocolate flavor because I already have the gummy bear, the peppermint, and the original. But this smells like a beautiful dessert. It is full size and retails at Sephora for 31 Australian dollars. So this is the 2022 Cult Beauty Advent Calendar box. What did we think of this year's box? Let me know in the comments below. If this is the calendar for you, make sure you get it fast because they do sell out really quickly as they are quite popular. I'll leave a link below on where you can get it. So overall, I was super happy with the Cult Beauty Advent Calendar box this year. There were just so many items there. 37, guys, 37 out of a 25 door calendar. That's pretty impressive. And I think there were a few filler items. However, I was pretty distracted because there were multiple items in several drawers, and I think that truly made up for some of the filler items. I think the Cult Beauty Advent Calendar is the calendar to beat this year so far, and definitely lives up to its name. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!